Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna learn about how we can save a temporary project. So in the last video we learned about how we can save a project, but in that video we started a project from opening. But in this we sent some, we done some active scan and let me send something to repeater. Okay, so we have done some changes here. Okay, so what you wanna learn it, like, you want to save this, but this is a temporary project. So how you can do this, you can save the options here, like you have done some settings in the project, you can save from here. And if you want to save the copy of this project what you have using now, you can save from here, save copy. Okay, so what you want to save, target, proxy, scanner, repeater. So save in scope item only. So I wanna save only in scope item, because out of scope there will be too many junk there. Okay, so I wanna scope only in scope item. So I name this node. Yeah, you can check, you can include burp collaborator identifier in the project. You don't wanna identify, add the identifier. So like you have used some Burp Suite collaborator in blind XSL or any blind SSRF, so you don't want to share that. Okay, so you don't want to include that. I don't want to include that. Okay, so what we'll name this file, we name this, it will automatically get that name with the date. So this is the name of file, it will saved on desktop. Yeah, next, project has been stopped. You can close the wizard or you can close the Burp Suite. So I just want to close the project. So if I'm doing anything else, I have to save the copy. Okay, so this can be useful if you just opened a project and you are start scanning, but after that, after some time you want to save something. Okay, so you can use this option. So that's all for the project option. I will add some more videos about the project if I find some cool features of this. Thank you guys.